students, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. Today you will continue with me, with teacher Ahmed Abdullah, the lesson about side numbers. We will study today about subtracting side numbers. Let's go. Our objective today, to add more than two side numbers, to subtract two side numbers. Let's recall some information. We have to perform the following. I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. Let's start by this. We have positive side number added to a positive side number. As we said before, we have to put the positive sign, then we add both numbers, 14 plus 3. This will give us plus 17. Let's move to this. We have a negative side number added to a negative side number. We put the negative sign, then we add both numbers. It will give us minus 29. Finally, negative side number and a positive side number. So we put the sign of the greater number. So 13 is greater than 4. So we will put the sign of 13, which is negative. Then we have to subtract both numbers. So we will put negative 13 minus 4. It will give us minus 9. Addition of many side numbers. We have studied before to add two side numbers. Now we will study about adding more than two. Let's do an exercise. We have to add the following side numbers. Here we have 3 side numbers and here we have 4 side numbers. I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. We will start by this. The first thing we have to do is to put the side numbers which have the same sign beside each other. So here we have plus 2 and here we have a plus 5. They have the same sign, positive, positive. We will put them beside each other. So we put plus 2 added to plus 5 and then we put minus 3. Now we will do this addition as we studied before. Two side numbers together. So positive and positive will give us positive and we add both numbers. It will give us plus 7. Added to minus 3. Again, we have positive side number and negative side number. We put the sign of the greater number, which is 7. So we will put plus and then we do a subtraction. So plus into 7 minus 3, it will give us plus 4. And here is the answer. Let's do the same way this. So we have to put the sign numbers which have the same sign beside each other. So we will put minus 7 beside minus 3 and plus 5 beside plus 4, like this. So here I colored them with red color, the negatively signed numbers, and here the positively signed numbers, I put them in the purple color. So we will do the red alone and then we will do the purple alone. So here we have negative, negative. We will put negative sign number and then we add both numbers. It will be like this, negative 7 plus 3. Then the purple, they are positive, positive, so we will put positive. Then we add both numbers. It will give us here minus 10 added to plus 9. Again, here we have negative sign number added to a positive sign number. We take the sign of the greater number, which is 10, so we will take negative. And then we will subtract both numbers. 10 minus 9, it will give us minus 1, and here is the answer. Now let's recall some information. Opposite side numbers. We have to match opposite side numbers. Plus minus 17, we have to match it with its opposite number, but I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. minus 17 is negative side number. We have to match it with its opposite side number, which is plus 17. Plus 16 is matched to minus 16. Plus 8 to minus 8. Minus 2 to plus 2. Now we have to subtract two side numbers. We have studied addition. Now we will study subtraction. Let's do an activity. We have to perform the following subtraction. I will give you some time. Now let's do it together. Here we have plus 5 subtracted to minus 7. So here we have to change this negative sign to a positive sign. But to do that, we have to find the opposite of this number. So it will be like this. Plus 5 positive or addition to opposite of minus 7. But opposite of minus 7 is plus 7. So it will be plus 5 added to plus 7. And now we converted this subtraction to an addition. And we know how to solve this. It is positive side number added to a positive side number. So we will put plus. Then we add both numbers. It will give us plus 12. Let's do another one. We have here plus 6 added, subtracted by plus 10. So here we have to convert the negative sign to be positive. And then we have to convert this or to find the opposite of this. So it will be like this. Plus 6 added to opposite of a plus 10. So now we have to find the opposite of a plus 10. The opposite of plus 10 is minus 10. So this will be plus 6 added to negative 10. So we converted this subtraction into addition. So now we have a plus 6 and minus 10. We have to take the sign of the greater number, which is 10. So it will be minus, and then we would do subtraction. 10 minus 6, it will be minus 4. Do these exercises as a homework. Exercise 4, page 153, and exercise 7, page 154 on your book. We have studied today to add more than two side numbers, to subtract two side numbers. I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the lesson. For any further information, you can ask your teachers. Thank you.